we are heating up the water. Now, if you remember the first thing I told you, at what temperature you heat the water. Now, this machine, since it's a machine, it's not us. Now, it heats the water and disperses the water in 3 different places. Number 1, it gives you a water in your heads for the coffee. It gives you a water, it turns the water into steam and gives you from here. And also it gives you water here. Okay? Now the water at the back slowly boils up. It heats the water, it boils the water. Okay? Then it distributes the water into 2 places. Here, it gives you as a steam. Now, at what time the water turns to steam? Any idea, guys?
I doubt.
How does water turn to steam? When it boils above 100, right? Then you see the steam coming out. And if you leave it, the water will dry up. The water will dry up if you leave it in the same temperature. And water will, you'll not see the water anymore. Where is the water gone? It's gone. It turns to steam. And if you have a condensing thing there, it may again drop back. But if you don't have the thing, it will disperse up in the air. It may moist the places somewhere where it is heating, but the water will go out from your pan. So here, it boils the water, which is above 100, 105, 110, and gives you as a steam. But here, as I told in the very beginning, we cannot make the coffee with the boiling water. Here, it gives the water approximately 88 to 92 degrees centigrade. The water that is coming out of here would be approximately 88 to 92 degrees centigrade. That is a good and ideal temperature for the coffee. Okay, so this is where your water will come out. Here it can go up to 95 because that's a hot water coming out from here. That is basically used to make Americanos or sometimes to warm up your cup, or you may need some hot water for different purposes. You can use that hot water. But the water that is coming out of here is around 88 to 92. The steam, water turns to steam after it is above 100, so that's already above 100. Okay? This one shows your water. Water pressure is enough. It has already taken the water and it's gone back. Now here, this is your steam. If you see now, you are slowly already getting a water a little bit here. The water is turning to the steam slowly. The machine takes about 15 to 20 minutes and sometimes even up to 25, depending on the machine and the water tank, to be ready. This is not the machine that you turn on the button and everything is ready. No. Machine takes its time. It takes to warm up. Basically, we all take to warm up. Can we just rush to the work once you get out from the bed? Of course not. You feel a little sluggish, you come out of the bed, you check your mobile, you do the same thing with the machine as well. Machine takes some time to warm up and to be ready. Regardless of the machine, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. This machine may take about 15 minutes. Also depends on how much of the water at the back initially and many factors. Now the machine is getting ready. How do you know the machine is getting ready? When you turn on the steam, there is no steam coming out. First thing. Second thing, when I turn this button and take the water is very, very cold. I can't even feel the water. So we need to wait. While we wait, just a little bit turn it out so you know when the steam coming out, when you see the steam noise, you know that the water is getting ready. Okay, so this is basically for water. The other side is basically for a steam. Once the steam gets ready, I will tell you how it goes. Now as the machine gets ready, let us go back to the coffee.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
There are sides for sucking water.
from the gallon to the back side turn.
Yeah.
You say it's supposed to be 9. What if it goes, let's say 8? You won't suck in the 8. Is there
If it goes at 8, your machine has a problem. In that case, you have to call the technician. Okay?
It always should be in 9.
Yeah. It should be at 9. 8.5 minimum. 9. If it goes above 9 or if it is coming below 8.5, you immediately have to talk to your technician. Okay? Because there are certain parts behind the machine which we do not touch as a barista. There are electrical parts. There are mechanical engineers doing the thing. We are not engineers, we're just baristas. Okay? If you know how to do it, you are trained to do it, you touch it. But if you're not trained, do not jump, because small mistake can lead to a big thing, and these machines are very expensive machines. Whether you're buying it or your company has bought it, or you're buying it for a business purpose, so you do not want anyone to go in and fidget around. You want someone specialized to come and see. Machine comes with certain warranties, there comes a certain maintenance contract, and you need to call the people immediately. Now if you are fully trained to do it, you may do so. But if you're not, I would suggest don't touch it. Remember again, you're talking about 4,500 watt. A small mistake can cost us life as well. It's a very electrically powerful machine. 4,500 watt is not something that we play with. If you don't know, don't touch it. I don't know, I don't touch it. To be honest, if something goes wrong right now, we have to call the technician. Though I know the parts, I know what the electric content, but the machine is under warranty. There are so many, we have a maintenance contract for that reason, so we need to call the people. Just give me so much. I'm just taking this one.